George Toys here, y'all. Another Pokemon opening up, and they're gonna be opening up. This is a Mega Collector's Kit. It says it comes with 50 cards, 3 mystery packs, and 2 trick or treat packs, and 1 card guard mini binder. Well, let's see what's inside. I never opened one of these, so I couldn't tell you. All right. And here goes the binder. Here goes the 2 Halloween ones. Here goes the mystery ones. There's Scarlet and Violet Pterodactyl Drift. Then we have Temple Forces. Then we have Obsidian Flames. And I reckon these are the 50 cards. All in there. Alright, y'all. Well, let's open up the Obsidian Flames. See if we get anything out of this one. We shall see. All right. Maybe we get a Charizard. Here goes the QR code. And let's see what we get. Yep, I got them backwards. See what we get. Anything be all right with me. It's been a while since I had a hit, so it really don't matter to me what we get, what we don't get. A reverse. Another reverse. And did we get anything? Nope, we didn't get anything. And it was side. Well, let's tear into the Temple Forces. See what we get. Yep. Alright, y'all, here goes the QR code. One to the front. I'm gonna say fire. Nah, leaf. See if we get anything, y'all. Worth getting anyway. We'll see. A reverse. Another reverse. And did we get anything? Nope, didn't get anything out neither. Well, let's open up the Pterodactyl Drift. So far, not so good was this mega box. Alright, y'all. Here goes the QR code. Let's see what we get in this. Anything be good. A reverse. Another reverse. Did we get anything? Nope. Sure didn't, and it was dark. Well, y'all, let's open up the trick-or-treating ones. See what we get. Hound Loon, which is pretty cool. I like the Hound Loon. Another Hound Loon. Well, y'all, that was it. That was in these boxes right here. Yep. Here goes the 50 of the basic cards. And inside the basic cards I just saw was this hollow Snorlax. Let's see if we see anything else in here worth anything. Go through them real quick. Let's see if we get any more. Bunch of energies. I think that's going to be. That was it. Was the Snorlax, y'all. Alright, y'all. If you like what y'all see, more of these opening up lights right here, just let me know in the comments. And subscribe to my channel, please. Ward's Toys out of here.